Good morning children, welcome back. Today we are going to do English grammar chapter number 16 direct and indirect speech part 4. We are going to do continuation of the lesson which already we have started. So in the last lecture we have seen how to change sentence into interrogative, yes no type and WH type, and also we have seen how to change imperative sentences. So today in this lecture we are going to see how to change optative sentence and how to change exclamatory sentences. So let us start. Some important points. Point number 1 says that you have to, when you change direct speech into indirect speech, you have to draw exclamation mark. You cannot use in indirect speech. Then further, said to is changed into wished and prayed. Okay. Now structure. Structure includes that plus subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus other words. Okay students. So question I have selected two for optative sentence. Optative sentence are what? They mainly deal with when we wish or when we pray for anyone. Okay, when we speak the sentence in that way. Okay, then only we use optative sentence. Question number 1 is the mother said to her daughter, "May you live long and prosper." So mother is wishing her. Okay, so let us convert this sentence. Before converting, we have to underline the subject, helping verb, and main verb, and other word. Okay, so let us start. The mother, in place of said to, we have to use wish or prayed. So we select here wish. The mother wished, now her daughter. Now here we have to draw comma and inverted comma, and we have to use structure. That, then add subject. Subject is you. According to the rule, second person pronoun you is changed according to the indirect object of the reporting verb. So here indirect object is her daughter. Okay, so the mother wished her daughter that, in place of her we have to write down here she. Then helping verb. Helping verb is what here? Helping verb is given here as may. So may is changed into might. As in the same way can changes into could, will, would, shall, should. In the same way may is changed into might. Then main verb. Main verb is what? Live. And finally other word. Other word is long and prosper. And finally full stop. We cannot write the exclamatory mark in indirect speech, as already we have discussed over here. So the answer is the mother wished her daughter that she might live long and prosper. In this way you have to convert it. Now question number 2. He said to Sonal, "May God bless you." Okay, so let us change it. Before that, underline the helping verb, main verb, and subject. So helping verb is may, subject is God bless, and this is your other verb. Okay, now start with this. He, in place of said to, you will write he wished. He wished Sonal. In place of comma and inverted comma, we will do the structure. He wished Sonal that. Now write down subject. Subject is God. God, helping verb is may. May is changed into might. Main verb is bless. And other word or object is you. You is changed according to indirect object of the reporting verb. Sonal is a girl, so we have to write down over here. He wished Sonal that God might bless her. We have to write down here her. And finally full stop. Okay? Exclamatory mark again we have to drop. We cannot use in the indirect speech. So your answer is he wished Sonal that God might bless her. In this way you have to change optative sentence. Let us move forward towards how to change exclamatory sentence. Some important points are there. You can see these words in direct speech questions like alas, hooray, wow and bravo and so on words are there that describes the feeling of exclamation or interjection. Okay, they describe sudden feeling of happiness, sadness and anger and so on. So what you have to do when you convert direct into indirect speech, you have to cut the words or you have to forego them. Okay, you cannot write them in indirect speech. Okay, and further point number 2 is regarding exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is also dropped, we cannot use. And third point is regarding said is changed into exclaimed or praised or exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed with surprise, exclaimed with excitement. In this way, the word which is suitable to the sentence we have to select and write. Structure is you have to use that plus subject plus verb plus other word. So let us start with the question. Question number 1 is the doctor said, alas, his condition is serious. So first of all we will underline here subject, then verb and other word. Now we are going to do the sentence. Before that, according to the important point, we have to cut the words. So alas is cut down and the exclamation mark also, we remove them. Now we will do the doctor, in place of saying we have to write down exclaim, praise and so on. So you can see here word alas is used. The word alas describes us the situation of sadness. In order to describe sadness, we will select the word sorrow. So the doctor exclaimed with sorrow. The doctor exclaimed with sorrow. Now comma and inverted comma, drop them, coming towards the structure. That subject is what? His condition. His condition. Verb is given over here. It is. So according to the rule, present tense is changed into past tense. So is changed into was or were, which is suitable. So we have to write down here was and then other word. Other word is here serious. And finally the full stop. So answer is the doctor exclaimed with sorrow that his condition was serious. Moving forward towards question number 2. It is Rahul saying how clever I am. Underline subject, verb, other word. Okay. Now let us start with Rahul. In place of said, we have to select this word. Okay. So it is a basic sentence. So we will select exclaim. Rahul exclaimed, then drop comma, inverted comma, and start with the structure that subject I is changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. Rahul. Rahul is a boy or a man, so we have to use here he. Rahul explained that he, after writing the subject, we have to write a verb and other word. Verb is am. Is MR is changed into was were. So we have to write down was and finally the other word, clever. So answer is Rahul explained that he was clever. Okay. In this way, you have to change it. The word how is also dropped in exclamatory sentence. So today we have seen some important points in optative as well as exclamatory sentence and structure, and we have done with two examples. So we have done with two questions. So students, that's all for the day. Thank you.